Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I will detail how to set timer on iPhone camera. So if you want to take a picture of yourself, and the only way you can go about doing this is to set a timer using the camera feature, then here's a video for you. So if you don't know this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to set timer on your iPhone camera or on an iPhone camera, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the camera app. Then make sure you select photo. And once you open the camera app and selected photo, press and hold the photo letter and then drag up, or click on the pointed arrow at the top. And once the pointed arrow pointed downward, then you have this menu comes up. However, if this does not work for you, just swipe up like this, then you should see this menu. Now, to set a timer on your iPhone camera, locate this icon, which is the timer icon, click on it once. Then you should see the timer. You can say timer is off. Now you can set timer between 3 seconds to 10 seconds. Now go ahead and select the timer you want to set. Then once you have the timer icon highlighted, go ahead and click on the shutter button. Then you should see the countdown here. And then the photo shutter button will automate itself. So if you want to increase the timer, you can change from 3 seconds to 5 seconds, and maximum is 10 seconds. So that is exactly how to set timer on iPhone camera. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.